I think it's important that our customers know about the service that we offer, because if they were to purchase a brand new car, you want to protect your investment. The same goes for our scanners. You want to protect that investment. You want to make sure that you get the longevity of that machinery, be able to protect yourself, your company, and have someone there to support you when your scanners do go down and get you back up and running. Basic on-site includes the parts, labor for the scanner, repairs, as well as one cleaning a year. The scanners need to have a deep cleaning done because sometimes staples can get caught under the glass, or little pieces of paper get caught under that glass, and it causes the image to not be as clear.
A really good vertical and use case for basic on-site service is like your CPA firms. Tax season is 6 months out of the year for the most part. It's really beneficial for them. Once they are using these scanners nonstop, they will schedule their 1-year basic on-site cleaning to cover all of that wear and tear for the use over tax season. Is a really good use case for our basic on-site service.